In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to 1v1 with your friends in Overwatch. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. What you have to do is set up a custom game inside of Overwatch. You can find this option when you select play from the main menu, and in the game mode options, choose custom game. When you go into the custom game lobby, you will be able to go into the settings by clicking at the top right corner of the screen, and in there between the options you can choose the preset for 1v1, or you can change each individual setting. It doesn't matter as long as you make it so both you and your friend are on enemy teams. So after you are done messing with the settings, save the changes and go back to the custom game lobby. In there, select invite at the top right corner of the screen, and as long as you and your friend are on the same game you've created on rival teams, you will be able to 1v1 each other. Simply start the game, and all the parameters you chose on the settings menu will be applied to the match that you are playing. The rounds you've set will determine when the match ends, or both of you can quit if you want to change something else or if it's taking too long. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 1v1 with your friends in Overwatch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.